In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Xiaomi. Begin by opening an app called Themes. Then tap on Themes at the bottom left corner, select one of those, tap on one of those options or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Wherever you decided after finding a perfect theme, click on it. Buy it or select a free one and click on free. Like this one. Then, if you see this kind of pop-up, you need to decide if you wish to still apply it. I have to click on Got It. Select Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always go back to the same app. Select Profile at the bottom right corner. Over here. Oh, come on. Click on Themes and tap on Classic or Limitless. Then hit Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!